Progressive Pump and Treatment Solutions are custom pumping and water treatment systems designed for commercial and industrial water reuse applications. Our engineers transform your project requirements into fully assembled, ready-to-install equipment. PPT frame systems are used in many applications to reduce the strain on the water supply, meet municipal requirements, and achieve LEED and LID goals. These high-capacity frame-mounted systems range from 25 to 220 gallons per minute with multiple pumping options, ideal for commercial and industrial use. Every PPT system is equipped with sediment filtration, pumping, and controls. Optional components include treatment, disinfection, ozone, and recirculation. Our purpose-built PLC panels monitor and control all pumping and treatment functions. The color touchscreen user interface provides real-time system status and historical data. We design PPT systems to need minimal interaction and occasional maintenance. All systems include auto-flushing sediment filtration. Systems can automatically switch between collected water and domestic supply. To maintain UV disinfection, lamps need to be replaced annually. Optional building monitoring systems can be integrated. For custom pumping and treatment solutions, RainHarvest Systems is the right partner for your project.